Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard. The chapter is agriculture food crops. Previous agriculture food crops this video I have already discussed about rice and wheat. Now this video I will discuss about millets and pulses. Millets, this term applies to various minor grains which are mainly grown in the areas where rice and wheat are not grown. Millets is a food grains for the poorer sections of the society and stocks are used for valuable cattle food. It is a dry crop. They are called hardy plants and because they are resistant to heat and drought during the growing season. It is cultivated generally, that is millets is the common name for the several species of grass family. The important millets cultivation is India generally include jowar, bajra and ragi. So here we should have to see now that why that the rice and wheat is not growing in which area their millets are growing. So first we have to see that the climatic conditions. The temperature of millets require 32 degrees centigrade. It cannot be grown in the temperature below 16 degree centigrade. Then rainfall. Millets can be grown in the arid and semi-arid regions where the rainfall is 50 to 120 centimeter. But wherever the temperature is below that 100 centimeter, there it grows very well. It is called a dry crop. Dry crop means you know that is they do not need much rainfall. After that come to the soil. What type of soil is needed for this millets? Millets can be grown a variety of soils because it is dry crop. That's why variety of soil. They do not need any some specific conditions for growing of jowar, bajra and ragi. They are cultivated on heavy and light alluvium soils, and also they are growing in the red soils, and also they are growing in the sandy soils, and sometimes they are growing also black soil and loamy soils in the peninsular region. So now let's see that the method of cultivation. Millets can be cultivated as both as kharif or rabi crops. Millets do not require a preparation of field, but in dry farming areas soil management plays a very important role. Here for the methods they are using generally broadcasting and dribbling method for showing seeds, and the crop matures in about 4 to 5 months. Next you come which regions millets are cultivated. The main production areas of the millets are this Deccan Plateau, this region, and Gujarat, this Gujarat part also. So I have told you jowar, bajra and ragi are growing. So jowar and bajra which area? Let's see. Jowar and bajra is growing in the areas of Uttar Pradesh. See this area, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, this area, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and this part, Madhya Pradesh also some areas, and then Andhra Pradesh, this part is Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka, these areas, generally, and Chhattisgarh too, this part also they are growing. Then next, jowar bajra we have seen. Next come ragi. Ragi which area? Ragi is growing in Karnataka, this area. Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, this Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. This part only ragi is growing. So these areas, whenever they are growing, that why they are millets, we have seen this part also and this part also, means millets are growing widely, wide areas. So millets are widely grown in India. Why? Some reasons are there. Number one, they are cheaper than wheat and rice, and they are the diet of the poor people. After that, we can say the stalk and stem are used for the fodder crops for the cattle. After that, we can say that number 3 point, they are common features of the what of the millets are, that is which one is very important, that all the millets are round in shape and they grow at the top portion of the plant. Actually, these millets are used for the as a nutritive food, so it is also used for the all the poor people also in our India. And you know, India is a country of maximum is poor people, so and the climate is also one of the factor for growing this millets in a widely millets are grown in widely in India. So this is also one of the very important point for growing of millets. Next we come, that is the pulses. Pulses form a very important part also in Indian diet. They are very nutritive, like that being that they are rich because they are rich in protein, and secondly they form essential part in the vegetarian food. Then there are another one important characteristics of that, they are leguminous plant. Leguminous plant means they help in nitrogen fixation. Means that they are converting atmospheric nitrogen to nitrates in the soil. So this is one of the very important characteristics of the pulses. These pulses are usually rotate with other crops to maintain the fertility. Means that is what is the meaning of that? That is, if you will rotate, means one crop it is growing, after that again this crop, that same crop it is growing in one field, then it will not give that the better production of yield. That's why better production of that crops. That's why after one crop, if we will plant again this crop and these pulses, and again that the previous one, then it will increase the fertility of the soil. So pulses are very excellent forage also. So the examples we can say that gram, arahat, urad, masoor, moong, these are the examples of pulses. Next come, same way, we have seen here serially what is the climatic requirements. So climatic requirements are, number one, we will see that the temperature. Temperature is this is pulses are cultivated as a kharif crop in the northern part, and rabi crop in the southern part. So that is that the temperature here, the 20 to 25 degree, within this the temperature is very suitable for this growing of pulses, because it prefers a mild, cool and dry climatic condition. After that we will see that the what type of rainfall. Rainfall here, that is 50 to 100 centimeter is suitable for this cultivation of pulses. And otherwise, if huge rainfall, then that will damage the crop. Next we are coming soil. Soil, light soil is required for the cultivation of this pulses. Next point you come harvesting. Harvesting, these crops mature in 150 days, and when the leaves become dry and begin to shade, plants are uprooted. Next we see that where these are growing, means pulses wherever it is growing. Pulses, the region of pulses are almost same. All over the world these pulses are growing. Generally pulses are cultivated in that light regions, from light, wherever light loamy soils are there and wherever alluvial soils are there. Alluvial soils where we will see in the Great Plains, generally there also it is growing. Black soil are there. Black soils means Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, this area. Then red soil, wherever it is there also it is growing. Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, this part also it is growing. So they are cultivated under the rain-fed conditions. Wherever almost throughout all over the India, these pulses are growing. I am completing my video after saying this, and I think it will be helpful for you for that better learning. Thank you everybody.